Just like other things, you might have pure audio media files where you don't necessarily have visual elements like video. In those situations, we're going to use the audio element. The audio element is very similar to the video element with a little bit few adjustments that make it different. One is that an audio element doesn't support width and height because basically there is nothing to adjust like in the case of a video. For the audio element, we create an opening and a closing tag just like the video. I have my audio file, an MP3, in a folder I created called audio. You can create this in your projects folder and save any MP3 file in there. So this is how it looks in my project folder. I have the audio, and inside the audio, I have the MP3. I will share a link to the project code and you will be able to find the MP3 there. So we create the audio element simply by writing audio. Now, just like the video, we have controls attribute and then the source. In this case, the source is in a folder, so we have audio and then / then the audio file. Now the audio file is put side by side the video, but let's say we want it below the video. We can use a break element. So we just put BR just before the audio element so that it goes below. So we have our audio file. We can play it. You can go forward. You can adjust the volume. All these are the controls, just like we have in video. You can even download the audio file. I used an MP3 file, but we have other audio formats, just like we have video formats. We have MP3, we have OGG, you and me. I'm just kidding. But we have MP3, OGG, and other formats. And just like in the case of video, if we want to support multiple audio formats, we can use the source elements. Remember how we did it in the video? Inside the source elements, we link the source and then specify the type attributes. In this case, I just have one audio type, but imagine I have multiple. You enable the browser to choose which one it supports, just like in the case of a video.